Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming of working from anywhere in the world? Maybe from a beach in Thailand or a cozy cafe in Paris? Well, in 2025, that dream is more achievable than ever. Today, we're diving into the best remote jobs that are perfect for international applicants, no matter where you are on the globe. We'll cover high-demand roles, what skills you need, and where to find these amazing opportunities. So, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's find your next dream job. First up, a classic and evergreen field: software development. Companies worldwide are desperately seeking talented developers. Whether you're into front-end, back-end, full-stack, or mobile development, the demand is huge. The best part: most tech companies are very comfortable with fully remote, asynchronous work. If you know languages like Python, JavaScript, or Java, you're already in a great position. And the PE, it's often excellent, regardless of your location. Yet, you can find these roles on platforms like TripleByte, Hired, and even LinkedIn by filtering for remote and worldwide. Next, let's talk about the creative geniuses: digital marketing. As businesses move online, they need experts to help them stand out. This includes roles like SEO specialists, social media managers, content marketers, and PPC advertisers. If you have a knack for understanding online trends, creating engaging content, or analyzing data to drive growth, this field is for you. The beauty of digital marketing is that results speak for themselves. If you can deliver traffic and sales, companies will be eager to hire you, no matter your time zone. Check out job boards like We Work Remotely and AngelList for these kinds of opportunities. Another fantastic option is becoming a virtual assistant, or VA. This role has exploded in popularity because it's so flexible. VAs help entrepreneurs and executives with a huge range of tasks, from scheduling meetings and managing emails to social media updates and bookkeeping. The key skills here are organization, communication, and being incredibly reliable. You don't necessarily need a specific degree, but being proficient with tools like Google Suite, Slack, and project management software is a must. You can build a client base through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or specialized VA matchmaking services. Let's not forget about customer support. Excellent customer service is the backbone of any successful company, and many are building global 24/7 support teams. This means they need people in different time zones. If you're a great communicator, patient, and enjoy solving problems, this could be a perfect fit. Many roles offer flexible hours and only require a stable internet connection and a quiet place to work. You'll often find these positions listed directly on company career pages, especially for SaaS, e-commerce, and tech companies. Look for titles like Customer Happiness Specialist or Client Advocate. Finally, for those who love language, consider online teaching or translation. The demand for English teachers, in particular, is always high, with platforms like VIPKid and Preply connecting teachers with students globally. Similarly, as businesses expand internationally, they need skilled translators to localize their websites, marketing materials, and software. If you're bilingual or multilingual, you can find freelance or full-time translation work on sites like pros.com and Translators Cafe. It's a fantastic way to use your language skills to connect cultures and earn a great living from home. So, there you have it, 5 of the best remote job fields for international applicants in 2025. The world is more connected than ever, and companies are realizing that talent has no borders. Remember to tailor your resume, build a solid online portfolio, and network within your desired industry. The opportunities are out there waiting for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And do forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Have you tried applying for remote jobs internationally? Let me know your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.